Hey, yo, big bro, you fucking with that? Ha, okay, cool. That's my fucking brother right there. You dig? Dexter.
Good, YouTube. It's your boy Bravo BK. You already know, back here with another video. But yeah, man, we're on our way to get some food because we're hungry, and our journey is leading us.
Oh my god, look at that line.
Oh, that's terrible.
Oh my god.
I don't want to go in there. It might be
Chalks for this.
nah, like we could always go inside.
No, inside's closed. That's why the line is so long.
Well, we're here now.
There ain't no we here now. So I'll easily walk away from this driveway.
No, but we're here now. I'm just saying. It's too late. It's already a car behind us.
No, there's not. And I can always go around. I can literally just.
But you really want KFC though.
You do.
I do, but KFC is like something to eat. Come on.
Look at this line for KFC. Ready?
I know, but I think that's tough.
But I'm not going back to Walmart.
That's what I'm saying. This is the bedroom. I thought you just want to get food.
I don't want KFC now.
You serious?
Yes. Actually, no, I don't want KFC.
Bro, you gotta move your mind.
I'm most definitely positive that I want KFC certain times of the day, but around this time, I would still kind of want it.
That makes absolutely no sense. Like, do you want it or do you not want it? Because I will gladly do a U-turn and get my ass out of here.
I'm saying that I like...
I'm over you. I'm just gonna sit here and, like, yeah.
Can you not talk to me like that?
I already did. The fuck? Stupid.
You know, like...
I hope your camera falls.
Can you not talk to me like that?
I already did. I'm going to continue to talk like that when we have company, meaning your camera, meaning everybody on YouTube.
She's kidding.
I'm not.
Because
You have a scratch on your face. What'd you do?
you mean this line?
Yeah, right here. Look, right here.
It's from this mask.
But your mask should not do that to you. I think it's too tight.
It's actually the N96 and it secures all diseases coming in here. So that's why this happened and I'm kind of okay with it. It was sealed tight. And this is why, this is actually the N95. A lot of you guys can get this from, I don't know, Home Depot or something. You can get it from Home Depot. But the N95 is really great. Right quick.
Here we go.
You need some?
No.
Open up.
I just washed my hands.
Yeah, but you just opened your door.
No, I didn't.
Just take some.
No. No, I didn't.
Just take some.
No, I didn't.
Just take some.
I don't know who you think you are, but I'm not taking it. Oh.
What are you gonna do?
Alright, let go. Damn, all I can really do is put it on myself. Your shirt is really bright. I'm sorry, but like, it's unnecessary.
Oh, funny that you mentioned that. This is a Bravo BK shirt.
Oh my.
Merch that you can get. I haven't dropped it yet.
Yeah, so.
But as you can see,
How's that merch you can get?
BK Squad for the Bravians, you guys can get this when I drop it. But yeah.
Bravians.
2 wings in the front. Put 2 more buckets in the front. I'm feeling that. That is like that's a vibe and a dig at the same time. That's a dig.
That's a dig.
Started that trend. The dig. Vibe and a dig. The dig. I started with a dig.
Yeah.
Everybody saying the dig.
Literally nobody said it because nobody ever heard it before.
The dig.
But it could become a thing.
I just don't know when people do start saying it.
They're definitely not going to give you credit.
This right here, this moment right here, just started it.
But they're not going to know that.
I started it today.
Yeah.
It's hot. I feel the heat.
I wonder why, because we're sitting in a line that you wanted to wait in for God knows how long, and you're directly in the sun.
I'm getting a nice tan.
Same.
No, you're not. This is a good tan that I'm getting.
Same.
Again, no, you're not.
Okay, why can you tan and I can't?
Well, I already told you I tan easily.
So do I. You've never been around me in the sun, so you do not know. If
I know where you've been for like 2 weeks and came back.
Came back what?
No tan.
I don't need a tan. I'm caramel. You know? You can tell.
It was definitely not caramel.
Just fucking am. What am I?
You're more like a Capri Sun.
What?
Like the straw, though.
So I'm yellow.
But lighter.
You just called me yellow.
I didn't call you that.
You said I'm the straw.
Lighter, though.
It's still gonna be yellow.
With a hint of peach going in there. Actually, I'll just change it.
Yeah. Chuck that.
Yeah, the camera died. So here I am. And I kind of finished all my KFC. Except for this drink. So I decided to go to
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
You don't talk to me like the camera.
Fine. Inside yourself. Exactly.
You just watch people and don't say nothing. You legit weirdo. This is behind the scenes of the TikTok. Watch I get right. I could do that with no problem.
Some cute ass friends.
Thank you.
Not you.
Thank you.
Right?
You feeling this?
You're not gonna agree.
Damn right. Let me tell you, bruh. When you look good as I do, okay? I don't know why she did that. She knows she can't do anything.
Excuse me? Okay.
I can do what I want. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I get them going too.
That's why you're scared, stupid.
Nobody's scared. That's called reaction times. Right? Freestyle.
I'm out of there, gone. Big racks, long.
Big rack. Got a big rack.
I'm out of there,
They're the big racks. We need big racks.
Ew, shut up.
I'm out of there, gone. Big racks, long.
Why are you doing a light skin face?
What do you mean I ain't doing no light skin face?
That's literally the definition of the light skin face.
I can see why you're saying that.
I'm light
'cause
skin
a
and I
light-
don't even do it.
This is just how I look when I do the light
It's
skin
really
face.
not.
This face is actually pretty dangerous.
In what world?
The world we in right now.
How is it dangerous?
Watch this. You got 10 cents? Like I said.
Why you got so over?
Made me laugh, right? But now you see where I'm coming from.
No, I don't. No. Oh. You do a corny ass pickup line. You got 10 cents. Oh, cause you something about being a dime.
No.
Yeah.
Now I got another one.
You should have tried it on one of them.
I'll do it.
Alright, bye. Okay.
I'm about to show you how the dime dribble, where she said it's corny.
It is very corny. Very much so.
Watch how I do this.
Get ready. Go for it.
Bruh. Watch how
You nervous? You nervous?
watch
Okay.
this.
I'll be sitting right here witnessing all of this.
Excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
You have a dime?
A dime?
Yeah,
I do not. No, I'm sorry.
I'm not saying you're a dime.
Oh my god, stop. Dude, you're not hard because you can have that.
Give me that. What I tell you? And she said it was corny, but it worked. She didn't want to give me my credit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know you scared. I know you scared. Give me some. I want some water.
So cold.
Give me some.
So good.
Give me some. Let me get some water.
You didn't even say please. You're just trying to snatch it.
You're right. I said that so wrong. Can I please get some water?
Do not body that.
I got to body it.
No, you're not, because like I'll really be tight. I literally got like 3 steps out of it.
We have a journey to accompany. Mother Nature is great. When you go on walks like this, it makes you think about life. Right?
Sure.
Like, what are you thinking about?
I didn't want to walk up this hill.
But now that you did, how do you feel? Like, you're like,
But I
oh,
still don't want to walk up any more hills.
you must definitely have the wrong look on life. Oh, wow.
Dehydrated
How many campfires you been to?
a lot. I live in bumblefuck. That's all they do.
Just campfires? They fun?
I killed a snake before. Like a large snake. We brutally murdered it.
Brutally?
Well, I didn't. They did. I kind of just watched.
But like, did you attack it too?
Well, it almost attacked me, so it was more or less self-defense.
More or less self-defense.
I'm not walking to the hospital.
We're not walking to the hospital.
This goes nowhere. After this building, there's nothing. There's not even a road over there.
I'm going that way.
He was crazy. Parkour, all that sweet shit.
Oh, he did backflips?
Yeah, he was crazy.
I could do a backflip.
No, you can't.
You don't believe me?
Do it. There's grass.
Seriously?
Yeah, I didn't stutter.
Alright. That's the news. I gotta zip it up. I got my battery and my wallet.
Okay. Go ahead. You're just stalling at this point. That's why you're smiling as you're walking away. You really were though. Like I could see your cheeks. They're like risen. Now you're just being serious for no reason. You can't do a fucking backflip. He knows he can't do a backflip. Yeah, I'm talking shit by the way. You're gonna fall on your back, get grass stains on your shirt. Ooh.
Oh, backflip time.
You don't even look like you jump high enough for a backflip.
That's what they all say. Oh!
It's different. That literally the definition of different. Don't worry about him.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do it.
Sure.
Blood's pumping.
Uh-huh. You're thinking too much. And you're not supposed to turn your body. Close.
I'm dizzy.
Because you're spinning. You're not supposed to spin with a backflip.
But I almost had it.
Sure.
What about the last one?
Sure. Why do you keep turning?
He needs some milk.
I'm satisfied.
I'm done.
Your net look like it broke.
How many did I play? Did I do good on that last one, girl?
Definitely did not.
Alright, YouTube. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about? You know I drop bangers every day. That's what I'm talking about. Late work every day.
Anything any day.
Haters. That's what I'm talking about. We got it.
No.
I'll catch y'all later.
No.